Hey everybody, I have come to see my old friends at Modul System. Modul System are a growing business and this is their existing site. But I've spotted something bright and shiny. Let's go check it out. So I've seen their York site grow from 20,000 square feet to over 40,000 square feet with loads of outside storage. And here in Woburn Green, just outside High Wycombe off the M40, they have a bright, shiny new site full of opportunity for you to grow into. I'm here at Modul System because they have been nominated for 3 awards: the Green Innovation Award, the Innovation Award and the Van Converter of the Year Award at the What Van Awards. So they are really blazing a trail and also are on a journey of growth and development. With all the work going on in the background behind me, it is really clear that electric vehicles are featuring much more in this world of conversion ecosystem. So let's go and find out all the tech and innovation that Modul System have got to make it easier. Jerry, tell me about the innovation that you guys are creating to help.
Yeah, so here at Modul System, what we're doing, we're striving to bring innovation to the customer, making it strategically advantageous so that they can have their transition to an EV journey. So this is to actually ensure that the driver's day-to-day life is actually made easier and basically ensuring the vehicle's fit for purpose to do a day's job.
Having already been awarded a Converter of the Year award in the recent past, Modul System are going forward again for Green Innovation and Innovation Awards for their development around this EV technology. Now, one of the things that you might not associate immediately with EV is this, because this is high strength steel. It's just 0.8 of a millimeter thick. And that means that you get the weight of aluminium with the strength of steel. And even better than that, it's all sourced from the world's first carbon neutral steel plant in Sweden. But also they have their lightweight floor, and we've got some developments coming from this lightweight floor which will save probably 30 or 40 kilos against a wooden floor comparison. So the process that you see going on behind me is a super cool way of getting in this ultra lightweight flooring. With vehicles being electric these days, you don't want to be screwing through the floor. So the glue is being put in and then the flooring will go in afterwards. And also it has rails so that you can easily fit the racking as well. So this is saving you time, weight and money on the whole process. So there are lots of reasons to consider all of this equipment. Another cool area for Modul System is the creation of all of their own kit. So these lamps here, all the racking, many of the component parts of everything that they do is their own kit. And what that means is that they own the warranty, they stock the parts, and it's all in their control. The reason that Modul System have been nominated for the Green Innovation Award is this equipment here. This is their E-Series, for want of a better description. There is an E-Power unit, an E-Inverter unit, and E-Heater units. With this dual E-Heater unit, they're contributing as much heat as you would expect to see from a diesel heater, yet with no diesel, and so no CO2s. Good news. They also work in tandem with solar power. So as you can see, I've got solar on my van behind me. And the brilliant news is that I can direct this solar energy to where I need it most, whether it be the 12-volt battery, whether it be a leisure battery, or directly into the e-power systems. Wherever you need it, you can get it to go. And of course, no technical setup is complete without an app and a control unit to map out and control everything that you are doing here in the back of the van. But not only from the back of a van, but from a phone, and also integrated into the manufacturer's systems at the front of the van too. One super cool feature of the Modul Connect system is that it can integrate directly into the manufacturer's infotainment systems. All your icons here for the control of your lights and even the heating is all here right on the front, and it shows you which elements are working on the infographic here. So that's super cool. And then we've even got vehicle weighing, so I know exactly how much my vehicle weighs. It tells me what the total vehicle is and also what my axle weights are. All this directly into the manufacturer system or hardwired via Apple CarPlay or Android. Really cool functionality. Completely unique, I reckon. One of the key components to Modul Systems is, of course, the people that they've got doing the work. Many of these people have been here a very long time and have gone and grown with the company, developed and learnt the technology from the ground up, and are making a difference. And when the rubber needs to meet the road, these guys step up and make a difference. The EV transition isn't easy. It's a big, big learning curve. But these guys are absolutely ready for the challenge. It's clear to see whether it's EV tech and innovation to make the transition easier, or good old-fashioned rough, tough racking to enable you to get your work schedule done efficiently and effectively. Modul System are absolutely a business that should be on your shopping list if any of this is important to you. Have a great day, everybody.